I want to go back to the trade deals. As you see, we have these beautiful letters that the president has signed. This one is to the President of the Republic of Korea, original signature on that, and these will be mailed. And then here we also have another letter to the Prime Minister of Japan as well. Both countries will be receiving a 25% tariff rate effective on August 1st.
Here's the letter. Let's translate.
It is a great honor for me to send you this letter in that it demonstrates the strength and commitment of our trading relationship and the fact that the United States of America has agreed to continue working with Japan despite having a significant trade deficit with your great country. Nevertheless, we have decided to move forward with you, but only with more balanced and fair trade. Therefore, we invite you to participate in the extraordinary economy of the United States, the #1 market in the world by far. We have had years to discuss our trading relationship with Japan and have concluded that we must move away from these long-term and very persistent trade deficits engendered by Japan's tariff and non-tariff policies and trade barriers. Our relationship has been, unfortunately, far from reciprocal. Starting on August 1st, 2025, we will charge Japan a tariff of only 25% on any and all Japanese products sent into the United States, separate from all sectoral tariffs, goods transshipped to evade. A higher tariff will be subject to that higher tariff. Please understand that the 25% number is far less than what is needed to eliminate the trade deficit disparity we have with your country. As you are aware, there will be no tariff if Japan or companies within your country decide to build or manufacture product within the United States, and, in fact, we will do everything possible to get approvals quickly, professionally, and routine. In other words, in a matter of weeks. If for any reason why you decide to raise your tariffs, then whatever the number you choose to raise them by will be added onto the 25% that we charge. Please understand that these tariffs are necessary to correct the many years of Japan's tariff and non-tariff policies and trade barriers causing these unsustainable trade deficits against the United States. This deficit is a major threat to our economy and, indeed, our national security. We look forward to working with you as your trading partner for many years to come. If you wish to open your heretofore closed trading markets to the United States and eliminate your tariff and non-tariff policies and trade barriers, we will, perhaps, consider an adjustment to this letter. These tariffs may be modified upward or downward, depending on our relationship with your country. You will never be disappointed with the United States of America. Thank you for your attention to this matter.